I am the worst person ever when it comes to cleaning up things. Like, I always start off super motivated. I'm gonna clean my entire apartment, it's gonna be awesome. And then I get 50% through and I'm like, oh yeah, okay, I did enough, that was good. Good day's work, good job. And then I leave it looking like this. Not very good at cleaning. Hey guys, how are all of you doing today? I hope you are doing good. I hope you're doing great. Thank you so much for tuning in as always. While you're here, everyone make sure to smash that like button. It does go a long way in helping out the channel. And give me a follow on Instagram at Tom Stefaniak. Now, I try not to complain about the weather too much, and to be fair, Winnipeg does have really nice summers and really nice falls, but we just sort of skipped fall this year. It went from 25-degree beautiful sunny weather to freezing cold and raining. I'm not a fan. Thankfully, I'm getting out of here next week. I'm going to New York for 2 weeks, then I'm going to Boston, then I'm going to Toronto, then I'm going back to New York, then I'm going to Los Angeles, so I won't have to spend a ton of time here, but I'm stuck here today and the weather sucks. Like, it really sucks. Not complaining though. Not complaining. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? Eric, have you seen my new hover shoes?
Your Hypebeast rollerblades?
My Hypebeast rollerblades.
I have seen them now.
Do you want to try?
Yes.
Oh! If you guys want to thank Eric for killing himself for this vlog, I'll leave a shop link. Whoa!
Yo, I'm just too heavy, man.
Eric, it's really not that hard.
It's pretty hard, man. I'm sweaty.
Really not that hard. Okay, I think from now on we're shopping on hover shoes, so let's look at some sneakers on hover shoes. What do we have that is new in Friday nights? Ooh, we got the Cream Yeezys. I got 5 pairs of these and I sold 4 of them already for profit. So I mean, resale is not completely dead on these, which is good to hear. If you guys want a pair of Cream Yeezys, come through here. These are size 8.5. This makes sneaker shopping way more fun. Just want to let you guys know you should buy these if you want to go sneaker shopping. Oh, they also got a whole bunch of throwback NFL jerseys. Randy Moss, I didn't even know he played for the Redskins. Then we have, oh, oops, sorry Eric. I really dig these. I've definitely talked about these before, but this is such a cool pair of kicks. Like, it's random colors and it's not my size, and I would probably never wear it if it was my size, but still super, super cool. I really like how these look. Ooh. I've been thinking about selling my pair of these and I just haven't been able to do it because they're so nice. They're so clean, they're so simple. It's just black with that little hit of red. So nice. One of the most underrated Yeezys ever released, and me talking about it while zipping around the, whoa! Okay, I haven't totally mastered this yet. So I wanted to take a minute to pull up to Nike today. I was in the area and just thought I would stop by and see if they had anything. Now, unfortunately, the managers at the Nike store don't like filming in the store, and there's no chance I'm able to film in the store. Lots of you guys always ask why I never film. Trust me, I would if I could, and I'd really love to show you guys what's inside of the store. It's just not possible for me to do so. So we're gonna dip in there. I'm gonna see if there's anything cool, and if there is something cool, I'm just gonna buy it so I can show you guys that way. Oh, and also I have a sick pickup coming in from another Nike outlet today, so this is gonna be a great way to sort of compare and contrast how much Winnipeg's Nike outlet sucks in compared to other Nike outlets. Okay, yeah, that was beyond disappointing. I mean, they had some cool soccer cleats, football boots, whatever you guys want to call them, and then a whole bunch of nothing. What I just got in the mail, on the other hand, which also came from a Nike outlet, is absolutely incredible. So let me tell you the backstory on this pair of shoes right here. I had to unbox these last night because I was completely out of cardboard boxes and I needed to ship out a pair of shoes. So my apologies, we don't actually get to unbox them, but I mean, I already knew what they were, so it's not that big of a deal. Like, it's not like I was gonna be surprised by unboxing them. I know what these are. These are from my buddy that has been a long-time viewer. He's been watching for like 3 years. I don't know how long he's been watching for. You guys can ask him how long he's been watching for. He works at a Nike outlet. He has bought stuff for me and shipped it to me before. And he hit me up on Saturday and said, Tom, I don't know why, but we got a couple pairs of these at the Nike outlet. Do you want them? We have a size 12. And I was like, dude, this is a stupid question. Of course I want this shoe. So he got me this pair of shoes. is an amazing pair of shoes. I'm super excited, and this fits in perfectly with what I needed. Like this just works absolutely perfectly. Okay, this is awkward. I'm just seeing on my Instagram right now, someone in Winnipeg DM'd me and just offered to sell me the exact same pair of shoes in a size 12. I mean, I'm still gonna buy them. I'll have 2 pairs in a size 12. This is my problem. I can't just say that one is enough. I need 15 pairs of everything. Okay, so enough wasting your time. Let us talk about what this pair of shoes is. Yeah, we know it's a freaking Jordan 1 box, but what we don't know, so wonderful. So I got a size 13 of these, and a size 13 is cool. Don't get me wrong, a size 13 is freaking cool. But it's not as good as a size 12. The size 13 is too big on me. And I don't know why they were at the Nike. Why were they at the Nike outlet? I need to email the guy and ask him why they were at the Nike outlet. Like, did someone return them, or I don't know. They were retail. They weren't selling them for below retail, unfortunately. That would have been even better, but yeah, I got these for retail. He probably made a few bucks, which is fine because I think he gets like an employee discount, but I paid him retail plus tax plus shipping, which I'm super excited about. Now I have the size 13, and I'll probably buy that second size 12, honestly, as well. I love this shoe so freaking much. Like, this is an amazing pair of shoes. Really, really nice. I'm a massive Celtics fan, and one thing I didn't talk about the other day when we were unboxing these, I need to address this right now. This color blocking scheme is the best that has ever been put on a Jordan 1. Jordan, Nike, just do every single color under the rainbow in these. We've done orange, we've done red, we've done green. I still need to track down the purple. I need to see a yellow out of view. I need to see a light blue. I need to see a regular blue, a pink, silver, gold, gray, just every single color variation with the black toe and the black around the laces, the white mid panel, black swoosh, and then color on the heel, color on the toe. Just every color, because these things are absolutely incredible. One of the most well done shoes in terms of just simple, and you can do it a million times. Like, they've done it 4 times, and all 4 of them, including the purples, are extremely popular shoes. And it just works, and it continues to work, and I think it will always continue to work, because simple colors are always gonna sell on the Jordan 1. I really remember the leather being better on the bread toes. Obviously the shattered backboard quality is like thought to be the greatest ever, but in reality, I mean, like, it's freaking good leather. But I have other Jordan 1s that are just as good as this. I don't know why these are held in such high regard. If you guys are new to the channel, these go for, I believe, around $1,000 brand new. I've worn these to the ground, but the craziest story about these is that I got these in like almost dead stock condition at SneakerCon. It was one of the more recent sneaker cons I went to. I mean, I haven't been to a sneaker con in like 10 months, but maybe Atlanta, maybe I bought these sneaker con Atlanta for $400, and they were pretty much brand new. I bought them from Urban Necessities, like really, really great price. Super happy to purchase these, and then super happy to purchase these this spring, and then extremely happy to purchase these today. Guys, seriously, thank you so much for watching. I know we haven't done that much in terms of exciting stuff today, and believe me, I'm very sorry, but I have so much stuff to do this week behind the scenes in YouTube that is very important for business and monetary doing work concerns. I have commitments in other places that I need to do, and I need to do them. So October will be literally travel, and that's it. It'll be sneaker shopping in different cities. It'll be doing cool stuff in different cities. It'll be hanging out with other YouTubers in different cities. That's gonna be literally all of October and a lot of November as well. I just have stuff I need to focus on here now, and unfortunately I can't spend 10 hours of the day vlogging. I can spend 3 hours of the day vlogging today, which I'm super sorry about, and I hate apologizing because I do it a lot, but I hold myself to high standards, and I know that I can make better videos, but at the same time I feel bad if I don't post because I know you guys want to watch, and I got an awesome pair of shoes, and I just, inner conflict levels unknown. That being said, I do appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I do appreciate you guys sticking with me through the stretches where maybe I'm not doing as exciting stuff as I am sometimes, and then, you know, watching when I do the awesome exciting stuff. That being said, I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I will see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Appreciate every single one of you. Make sure you go like that button and Instagram me on follow. and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.